Everyone talks about stocks. Put your money in the S&P 500. Get your 10% a year. Be patient. Stay the course. Retire someday, maybe. Here is what they never tell you. The people who are actually getting wealthy quietly without posting about it, they are not doing that. They are buying boring businesses. Laundromats, car washes, HVAC companies, parking lots. Business is so unglamorous that most people never even think about them. And the math is almost embarrassing once you see it. A business making $120,000 a year in profit typically sells for around $240,000. 2 times earnings, completely standard pricing. You use an SBA government loan, only 10% down. That is $24,000 out of your pocket. After loan payments of roughly $18,000 a year, you are netting $100,000 annually on $24,000 invested. That is a 400% return in year 1. Your stock market gives you 10%. The boring business nobody wanted gives you 400%. And here is the part that should make you stop and think. The business keeps generating cash, whether you show up or not. You are not trading time for money anymore. You own the machine. That is the secret hiding in plain sight. Rich people do not just invest, they buy cash flow, and now you know the difference too.